In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn yourself into an action figure with ChatGPT. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open ChatGPT, and in ChatGPT, we're going to need to log in or sign up if you want to add a picture. So log in or sign up. And what we are going to do is we're going to log in. And in ChatGPT, we're going to type this text. So this text is also in the video description down below. Use this image to create a picture of an action figure toy of a construction worker in a blister package from head to toe with accessories including a hammer, measuring tape and a ladder. The package should read Handy John. Then what we're going to do, we said use this image, we're going to upload the image and we're going to click on open. And we're going to click on the black button, and this is the image that I upload, guys. That's an image, that's a picture of me. Now, right here it says processing image. Lots of people are creating images right now, so this might take a bit. We will notify you when your image is ready. So usually this takes up to like 1, 2, 3 or up to 5 minutes. Oh, it says image created, guys, and boom, this is the image, and that's how you turn yourself into an action figure with ChatGPT. So what I can also show you, you can talk to ChatGPT. So as an example, you can say, hey, ChatGPT, make the toy look 5 years older and add another accessory of a carpenter pencil. And then we're going to click again on the black button. Now guys, again, this takes up 1, 2, 3, 5 minutes, it depends. Oh, image created. And guys, okay, right now, it made the toy look 5 years older. In my opinion, a little bit older, but no worries. And add another accessory or some carpenter pencils, guys. Here you have it, guys. So this is how to turn yourself into an action figure with ChatGPT. I wish you a lot of fun with this. And yeah, if you like this video, please leave a like. Comment down below if this worked for you. And if you would like to have more videos like this, just subscribe to the channel.